Today we are going to discuss how to transfer the longitudinal or panel data into eView software. This is a this is a question asked by so many academicians and researchers. So today I'm going to discuss how to transfer your longitudinal or your panel data into eView software. So first of all, we need to prepare a Excel sheet for that purpose. And here you can see that I've prepared an Excel sheet and I've divided that Excel sheet into 4 5 different components. Now you can see the first one is country ID. So you are collecting a data of different country at the different time period. So you need to consider it that you have to make country ID first. Then second one is the country name. Then third one is the year in which we have to collect the data. In this case, we have collected data from 1996 to 2000. Then these are my two variables. One is GDP, that is dependent variable, and import oil, that is independent variable. Then because I have considered time as a variant, so I have taken years as well. So now what you have to do, like for 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 years, you need to calculate this, that is for year 1, and this is for year 2, because I have considered that the time is a variant or in case of random, and the time is fixed in case of fixed model. So year 3, then year 4, then year 5, and year 6. That would be useful in case of non-dummy variables even. Then we have to put 0 0 0 0 and then 1 here, and then 0 and 0. And then we have to put 0 0 0 and 1 here, and then 0 0 0 0 and 1 here. And my last one is 0. Then we have to move with this 0 0 0 0, then 1, then again 0 0 0 0, and then 1. And in year 6, there's no need to have year 6 because it is 6 minus 1. So we have calculated it for 5 years. Then simply you open your eView software, and since I have saved it, so I have saved as book 1 on my desktop. And now I have to share eView software with you. So I'm not opened it. First of all, I'm going to open that software first. Okay. Now you can see eView is there in my window. Now I'm going to start with this. I'm sharing that screen with you. We have collected your open EView software. So this is our EView software. You can see, you can go to file, import data, import from file. Then you have to select book one, open it. Now it would be asked for step one of three. So we have to move, there are four steps. So next, then two of three. So next, and in this way we have to finish it. This is step three of three. Now you can see that it is automatically accepted that your data is panel, and you have selected your cross section ID and your date series is year, because you have collected the data on annual basis. So it is very important to understand that if your Excel sheet is perfect, there's no need to do anything in the software. You could directly transfer your data in the software only. Okay, so you can do finish here. Then you can see the screen here. We have taken like country name, like date ID, like ID, and year they have collected. So what I have to do, I have to calculate it through ID first. I have to select control, and then I have to move to year. Then I have to move to country name. Then what is my dependent variable? That is GDP. Then the import oil, and then I'll take all these years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'll open it in a group. So as a group, now you can see this data. This is the perfect data which we have created in our Excel sheet. So I hope it is visible to everyone. Yeah, you can see it like the 1, 96, 97, 99, 99, 2000, then 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000. In this way, we have taken this, IDs. They have created their own, data IDs, and these are the years. These are the countries. You may have n number of countries below this. Maybe it is India, like BRICS. So maybe it is India here. Then maybe it is China here, or it is South Africa. In this way, you people can collect it. And then we'll move towards this. You can see if I minimize this, you can see the range is given, that is from 1996 2000 to into 2, that means 10 observations, and the sample is also 10 observations. So, and whenever you move to the estimate equation, you will find that your data is panel, because the panel option is appearing. So thank you everyone. Uh, in this video, we have learned how to transfer longitudinal or panel data into through your Excel into eViews. And in the next video, we would apply Osmond test for understanding the random and fixed model variations. Thank you.